In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Kit from scratch. We're going to walk through the process from the very beginning. So even if you've never built a page in Kit before, you'll be able to follow along and end up with a clean, simple landing page you can customize for your brand, product, or offer. First, open Kit and look for the Grow section in your main navigation. This is where Kit keeps all the tools related to getting more leads and customers. Inside Grow, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This area is your central hub for anything that collects signups, emails, or interest from visitors. Once you're in Landing Pages and Forms, you'll see an option to create something new. Click on the Create New button and then choose Landing Page. This tells Kit you want to build a full standalone page, not just a form or pop-up. Next, you'll be asked to pick a template. Here, choose either the Abby template or the Park template. These two are the most minimalist options, which makes them perfect for starting from scratch. They give you a basic structure without a lot of clutter, so you can design the page to look exactly how you want, instead of spending time undoing someone else's layout. After the template loads, you'll probably see some placeholder images and text that came with it. We don't need those. Click on any image or text block you don't want to use, and then click the trash icon to delete it. Take a moment to clear out anything that doesn't match your vision. The goal is to get down to a blank or nearly blank canvas so you have full control. Once things are cleared out, it's time to start adding your own content. Look for the plus icon on the page. When you click that, Kit will let you insert new blocks, such as layouts, videos, or text. Layout blocks help you structure your page into sections and columns. Text blocks are where you'll add your headlines, descriptions, and calls to action. Video blocks are great if you want to embed a product demo, a welcome message, or any visual explanation. Take your time experimenting with the order and style of these blocks until the page feels right. When you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready to make it live. Click the Publish button. Kit will generate a live URL for your landing page that you can share in emails, social posts, ads, or anywhere else you send your audience. And that's all it takes to create a landing page in Kit from scratch.